Welcome guys, and in this video I'll show you how to make origami pop cap, and this is a very nice model. So if you want to wear it, so make sure to use A2 paper, but in this video I will be using A5 sheet for demo purpose. Okay, so if you don't want to miss any step, so keep watching because I'll show you how to make origami pop cap step by step. So the first step is to take this line, align up till here. Crease. After you complete this step, the next step is to rotate it and then take this line, align up till here. Like this, make a crease, open it up, take this line, align up in the middle, like this, and now take this line, align up in the middle. This is the top part of our pop cap. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take this line, and align up till here. Actually here you will see there are two flaps. You will just do it on the front side, just use the first one. And now one more, take this line, fold it upwards like this. After you complete this step, the next step is to turn it over like this, and then what you need to do, you'll take this line, align up in the middle, and this line in the middle. Like this, crease nicely, and take this line, line up in the middle, crease, and like this. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take this line and fold it upwards like here, like this. After you have completed this step, the next step is to use glue. I would suggest that you use PVA glue. You can use this, you can buy this on any store, but if you want from online, I will link this in the description and you can get it from there. I'll just open it up. And then apply the glue onto these two ends. Like this, and nicely fold it upward like this, and hold it for 5 minutes so that glue is stick and glue is done and get stick onto by the cap like this. Open the cap and you are done. Guys, for more tutorials make sure to follow me and subscribe my channel. You like and subscribe, and also share with your friends, and thanks for watching.